Many families have rules for how much time their children may spend online, and ideally everybody complies. Yet whether or not they discuss the subject, the limits are especially effective when the FRITZ box automatically grants configured budgets to individual users or devices. You can find access profiles under Internet Filters in the user interface of your FRITZ box. These profiles define restrictions and permissions that can be set conveniently at one time for multiple smartphones, PlayStations, or any other devices in the network. First, create a new profile here. Time restrictions can take two forms: defined periods or daily time budgets. Here, it is easy to specify timeframes by clicking and dragging. Depending on the browser used, entries can also be added with this dialog. A time budget may be useful as well. So if you want to give your kids access for the entire weekend, as seen here, you can limit the available online time here. If you use the shared budget feature, all network devices assigned to this access profile share the respective daily budget. For example, when a smartphone is right next to the PC for homework. By the way, it's possible to check how much time is left in a budget from any network device by accessing fritz.box/serve.lua. Keep in mind that time budgets may result in involuntary restrictions when messengers like WhatsApp and iMessage are used, since these services rely on their users staying online. If you activated the wireless guest access, you should deny access to the guest network by devices assigned to this access profile. This way, you can prevent network users from circumventing restrictions to the Internet use by using the Internet access meant for guests. Newly created profiles are not assigned to any network devices. This is done under parental controls. Pick the new access profile for one of multiple devices, then click Apply. Finally, please remember to acquire a password for access to the user interface for your FRITZ box if you did not already do so during setup. The password for logging in from the home network can be entered under System, FRITZ box users.